Good morning, students. Let us study again ahead the solid state chapter 12th chemistry, and the topic which we are going to study today is unit cells of 14 types of Bravais lattices. In my earlier class, I have brought to your notice regarding the 7 crystal systems and the possible variations, which we call it as the 14 possibilities of Bravais lattices. I am going to show you them here. See this, I have told earlier in my videos that primitive type of cells are having the atoms only at the corners. So here is the cube having atoms only at the corners. This is referred to as a primitive type of unit cell. Now body centered type of unit cell is having similarity with primitive, but one extra atom is present at the center. You can see over here. They are referred to as body centered cubic unit cells. And in the face centered cubic unit cells, you have no doubt at the corners 8 atoms, but at center of each face also you are having atoms. Here there is upper face center atom. This is the center atom of the bottom face. This is towards the face left side center atom, right side center atom, and similarly at back and at front. So 6 faces are there. You can consider a room as an example. You are having 4 faces at the sides and one above and one below. Now let me highlight that this particular 3 Bravais lattices which you are able to see belong to the cubic crystal system. Okay. Now the other one which you can see is primitive type and the body centered, which you are already aware from here. Now these are the 2 Bravais lattice which are observed in case of tetragonal type of crystal lattice. So overall 5 Bravais lattices we have seen. Now let us move ahead. You can see that they have written here tetragonal lattices and here it was cubic lattice. Now the third one which we move to is having the maximum possible variations here out of 14, and that is your orthorhombic. Okay, orthorhombic has 4 possible variations. Primitive type you are known with, body centered also I brought to your notice, and face centered also you are known. Apart from that, end centered is there one thing extra here. End centered is the type of unit cell which I have discussed in my earlier videos too, is having at any of the 2 opposite ends the atoms at the center of the faces. So you can see them over here. Upper face and the lower face is having atom at the centered, and such type of unit cells are referred to as end centered and forms one of the possible variations in case of the orthorhombic crystal system. Okay, now let us talk about this figure, and that is all about the 2 lattices you can see, primitive and end centered, which I just now discussed, and it belongs to your monoclinic. So overall 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 Bravais lattices you can see here, but I told you are having 7 crystal systems. So out of them 4 we have studied. Rest you can see are hexagonal, trigonal, or rhombohedral you can call it as, and the last one is the triclinic. Now all these 3 are having only one possible variation of type. All these 3 are having only one possible variation, and that is of primitive type. And hence here you can see you are having total 14 now, 3 of cubic, 2 of tetragonal, 5, 4 of orthorhombic, 9, 2 of monoclinic, 11, and 3 primitive, each of hexagonal, trigonal and triclinic. So total 14 Bravais lattices you have like this. I hope this is understood to all of you. Please refer your book to the figures I have shown for various unit cells very nicely here. Try to draw them, try to understand the 6 parameters of all this which is being discussed ahead in my videos, the 3 axial distances and also the 3 angle differences between all this. Thank you students, have a nice day. I would move ahead with discussion of the unit cells in my next video regarding how many number of atoms are there in the unit cell. Thank you all, stay safe, have a nice day, keep smiling. Thank you.